Hey everyone, it's Maria here. Just wanted to take a moment to show you these hair reduction results that I've been getting by using this device that I'm going to show you today. I'm sick and tired of getting frequent appointments, waxing specifically, that are time consuming, expensive, and very, very painful. So I'm going to show you what I've been using to get these results. All right, let's do it. So I've been using the DERMRAYS V8S device for the past 3 weeks with great success. This is the world's first at-home laser hair removal device, and I've been so happy to be able to receive it and use it. It was very easy to use, and as you can see, it comes with everything you need in the box to get you started. So the DERMRAYS device emits an invisible laser. So this here is the treatment window. It's nice and generous. You have to move it along. I'll show you in a minute how I did it on myself. But pretty much it emits an invisible laser, which penetrates the dermis and then is selectively absorbed by the melanin of the hair follicle. So the goal of it here is to disrupt the hair growth, right? The hair growth. And this is, of course, with, multiple treatments. So I've been able to do a couple of treatments. And again, I think it depends. It's very personal. If it's very personal, what color your hair is, where is it growing, how thick it is, right? Okay, the box comes with everything that you would need, including a razor. These people put a razor in there. I saw it and I was thinking, what is this for? However, it is recommended that when you do the treatment, you pretty much have cleaned the area, meaning that your skin is cleansed with soap and water, no lotions, nothing like that. Just, dry and clean skin. But then also you can't have just massive hair growth. So they give you a nice crisp razor that you can actually take care of the shaving of the area before you go in with this. It also comes with this beautiful carrying bag that you can store it into. It's almost like it's like a hair dryer, right? About the same size, I would say. And of course, it comes with all the plugs and everything like that. And of course, it comes with the manual, right? Instructions of use. It's very simple, very clear. And also kind of like a quick card here, like a reference instructions for use, right? So you can see kind of step by step how to use it. This is actually how it works. So you have to power it on by holding it down. Then it makes a little beeping sound. And then can you hear that? It also has like a cooling system, all right? And then you can see that the little cooling system is on. And then of course it has different settings. Now, to tell you the truth, the first time I used it, I tried the first setting and then I increased it to the third setting for the second time I did it. I think I did the treatments about a week apart because I was so occupied with healing my eyeball. So you have the white light here, and then you're gonna select the setting that you want, depending on the intensity, and then you're gonna double press. And then when it's green, you can see the green light, it's ready for use. Now, when you put it up against your skin, you see that? So that's when it kind of emits the laser, right? So I'm gonna have like a bald spot maybe here on my arm, but it will go green. And then if you don't touch skin again within 10 seconds, it's gonna go back to the standby. You can hear the fan, the cooling fan going. Again, double press, green, it's ready. And then you touch the area that you want, never going over the same area again, okay? So you move along the skin, your leg, your thigh, for the area that you want to treat. To turn it off, simply you hold it down and the power goes off. It is really important to note that if you are, it has like the shade range here of your skin. There are certain skin tones that it's not recommended for, as it can lighten the skin or alter your skin tone. So it goes by skin tone here and also by hair. So if you're super, super fair with, red hair, it's not recommended for you, unfortunately. But yeah, such a smart little device. I mean, why not? Home care, as I mentioned, is so important when it comes to our skin. skin, hair, everything actually. So it's nice to have a tool like that for anyone who cannot afford to be getting regular waxing, anyone who cannot afford to get laser. I know that this is all the rage, but that is not an accessible service to everyone. And after the treatment, after the first treatment, I didn't notice any irritation or anything like that on my skin because I did start low. Now, the second time that I used it, I went up to the third level and I did notice a little bit of redness on the area that I had treated. Again, it's so important to follow the instructions and not do the same spot on the skin twice, okay? So if you do have sensitive skin, be very conscious of that and start low. Feel like a lot of times, even with skincare, we grab all the stuff and we go in full in. We get the strongest vitamin C, we get the strongest retinol, and then we're like, oh my goodness, it didn't work for my skin. Oh my goodness, I have irritation, I have redness. Oh my God, after the retinol, my skin is peeling. And I feel like it's because we don't ease into things slowly. All right. So I would say that same thing for this. Go in with the lowest setting, see how that works for you, and then increase it for the areas that have coarser hair after you know that, the first pass or the first use was okay for you. So here's some specs for you for the DERMRAYS Silk Pro. So this is the world's first FDA cleared at-home device that actually uses laser. This uses the same technology that you would get in a professional salon to do laser hair removal. 99.9% of other devices on the market are IPL, and that is not the same. So this uses a laser diode to remove hair for hair removal purposes. And it does that through, a big window, a big treatment window, and also like an adjustable kind of intensity. Compared to the IPL, this is going to give you a more powerful energy, so a more powerful treatment and longer lasting results. Number two is that this type of technology is more powerful and the results are permanent and longer lasting. With IPL, you need more frequent treatments, to actually get a more temporary result. So fantastic to have this type of technology for an in-home device, because as we already mentioned, laser hair removal is not accessible to everyone as it is quite expensive. The third one would be longevity. So this device delivers a powerful and long-lasting shot of laser right to the hair follicle. So after 4 to 8 weeks with consistent use, the growth of the hair is reduced about 80%. With, the IPL, it's 70%, and the treatment is not as long lasting. So you might have to go back and do it more frequently in order to see those, hair reduction results. The fourth thing would be safety. So this type of device does not need the use of protective eyewear. You can safely use this at home. It has a nice large window, so you can actually target the areas as you go. And it's safe for yourself to use without protective eyewear. And especially, like I'm a mom. If you're a mom and let's say someone is next to you, the kids are next to you, or you have pets in the house, it's also safe for them. And then the last thing would be the user experience. It's quite light. It's almost like a hair dryer. The user experience is quite pleasant. It's easy to use. It's comfortable. It's safe. I only saw a tiny bit of redness when I turned it up higher on my skin. So be mindful of that. And it features, the cooling system. You heard it throughout the video that kind of keeps the temperature cool on your skin for the duration of the use, especially if you're doing larger body areas such as the legs. It might be up to 30 minutes, right, to kind of finish or cover with the treatment for the area that you need. So it's really important that the device stays cool and comfortable on your skin for the duration of the use. So DERMRAYS offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, and there's also a 1-year warranty on the device. So you can try it feeling, safe, and it's risk-free. If it doesn't work for you for some reason, you have that under your belt as well. However, I know for myself, I'm very selective with what I test on here and what I pass on to you. I always want the products to be useful for you. They have to really satisfy a need. They They have to help you, take care of something at home that otherwise is, high cost, or too stressful to be doing, or, running back and forth and getting done. There's so many things that we need to step out of the house to take care of. And I know for myself with two young boys, it's just too busy to take care of all of that. So I feel like if I can get some of my needs taken care at home, then, my day goes a lot smoother. There's lots of, less hassle and lots like running around out of the house to get things done. So I hope you appreciate that and you can relate to that if you have others at home that you take care of. Okay, everyone, I hope you give the device a try and I hope it works for you as well as it did for me. Enjoy it. If you like my content, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now that my eye is healing, I'm going to be back here with more skincare and makeup videos. So I hope to see you then. Bye.